Hey, this is Tay Musselwhite with Kimberlite Digital Marketing. We're here to help make your business work for you, and we do that with tools and processes to help your business run more efficiently and multiply your efforts. My topic today is going to be about change or change. A great client of mine, former client at my old company, used to say this, and it's change or change, and meaning that each of us individually has to change or things are going to change for us. And that's what I really want to emphasize right now in today's current climate is that it's time to change how you're doing business. It's time to find efficiencies. It's time to evaluate your marketing. It's time to evaluate your processes for communicating with your customers and prospects, from anything from when they first contact your business to how you follow up with them over the life of your business. This is becoming more and more important. Who knows what's going to happen with the economy right now and the climate as a whole, but also as we see the proliferation, the massive proliferation of AI tools right now. These AI tools are game changers. They're going to change the marketing and communication with customers fundamentally. And we would love to help you with this. We, as a team, are diving into all of these tools to take a look and see how we can integrate them into our processes for our clients. But whether we do it or you do it, it's time to change your processes and take a look. I fully believe that the people and companies who learn to leverage the AI capabilities that are coming out right now are the ones who are going to survive long-term and thrive while others go out of business. The other thing that I really believe that you need to do in terms of change is make sure that you are meeting your customers where they are. The number one thing that I believe that you should be doing as a business owner is running Google Ads. We can help you with that, and we do it very effectively. The benefit of Google Ads is these people who are searching on Google are hand raisers. They are looking for what you are serving up. When those leads come in, that your process for handling those leads is well-defined and efficient. The next thing that I recommend that you be doing is some sort of text marketing and email marketing. So these are more for your existing customers. We have plans for both of those. We call that call query because our program actually sends a text message to every caller to your business so that they can get information via text and then communicate with you via text. And obviously you can market to them. You can tell them about special offers, what's going on, things like that. The other thing is email marketing. Email marketing is very effective, especially when you start to tailor it to a customer or prospect's interests. That's the thing about the data that you have as a business. It's time to change and start understanding your data and then using your data to tailor your communications with your customers. This could be an upsell. I have a lot of detailing clients who have a customer who, say, came in a year ago for a ceramic coating. The ceramic coating does a great job of keeping their car looking great, but it also is not a good thing to run your vehicle through a machine car wash. So that type of customer should be offered your car wash packages or a maintenance detail once a year, something like that. Another way to think about this is transaction data. Anything that you have where you are generating invoices, a very common one is like QuickBooks. If you're generating invoices and payments and things like that, you have very, very strong data to act upon, and you can use automations. What I use for myself and my clients is Zapier. They're building out more and more things every day that integrate between certain pieces of software. Use something like that to take your data from one place to another and then automate processes so that you don't have to touch anything. An example of this is I just set up a Zap where one of my clients is a general contractor. His native language is Spanish. What I did is I set up a Zap to send this email to ChatGPT and then have ChatGPT translate that email so that he can read it. We send it to a Google Sheet so he can just pull it up and see the English and the Spanish translation. And then we're having ChatGPT reply to that email for him. I noticed this because his emails that he's sending clearly let the prospect know that he's a non-native English speaker. We're trying to up his game, number one, make him sound more professional, number two, and then thirdly, we're generating these emails without him having to do anything except for star that email in Gmail. So think of that in terms of what can you do to elevate the work that you are doing. If it's something where you can automate an email, automate a process so that you do the work once and you never have to do it again, that is what you want to do as a business owner, as a business employee, and as a business overall. Take a look at things like Zapier, ChatGPT, any of the other AI programs that are out there. Take a look at them, learn how to use them, learn how to leverage them for your business. And please reach out to me if you'd like any help with this. I will provide my link to my calendar at the end of this so that you can schedule time with me if you'd like. The last but not least is this is our website. It's digitalkimberlite.com. That's digitalkimberlite.com. Kimberlite is where diamonds are found. We'll help you find those diamonds for your business in terms of customers, the tools to do business with, and more profits. So we help you find your diamonds. Please reach out and have a great day. Look forward to helping you.